here's the most important question I ask people. And it's right there on my contact form on my website. The question is the problem that you're having symmetrical, mostly generally symmetrical, or asymmetrical? That defines the approach that you need to take with somatics. Asymmetry is an overlay on top of stress patterns. It's like an overlap. And if you have an asymmetrical pain expression, you've got to learn the basics that I teach about the movements for asymmetry to help your sides be more the same. And you've got to learn the more advanced movements, like the pendulum, like the amplified angel wing, like the side-sitting scoliosis sequence, the parallel pattern gait balancer, the diagonal layover, on your wings. You've got to learn those in order to address the root of the problem. If you're having the boiling overs that are asymmetrical, I promise you, try to prove me wrong, I promise you that if you look in this way, you will see that there's a tension imbalance between the two sides of your body. And you have to address the root problem, the root tensions, the root holdings to solve the problem that's boiling over in this way. Someone will say, oh, I've got an ankle problem, a knee problem, a hip problem, I've got a bad shoulder, I've got a problem in one hand, I've got headaches on one side, my jaw is messed up on one side. You've got to look at the global pattern or patterns that your system's stuck in. I'm out here hiking in Luxembourg with my wife today. And there's all these people, and they have this kinesio tape on the inside of one knee, sort of wrapped up over the medial side of the kneecap. And every one of them is stuck in a twist. It's just obvious to me. You're stuck in a twist. That's why your knee's being overloaded. Every step that you're taking is overloading your knee in that direction that it just does not like being overloaded in. That's why you've got the problem. So putting the tape there, a little elastic bandage, that is not going to really solve the problem. That's just literally a Band-Aid. If you have a discomfort pattern that's more symmetrical, that's easy. That says the tensions of stress, front and back, which even the original somatics is pretty good at that, although the traditional somatics doesn't have good movement for the back, in my opinion. I had to come up with better movements that address the fans of angles that your back can get stuck in, the different depth and the different ways that the breathing space of the back is stuck. Not just the low back with arch and flatten. I don't even teach arch and flatten. Very, very rarely do I teach it. Maybe 1 out of 100 clients do I teach arch and flatten. So ask yourself, is the boiling over one-sided or not? If it is one-sided, go to my playlist it's called something like My Two Sides Are Different, and work your way from the top down on that list. That's what you need to do. You need to, if you want to free yourself, you have to learn to free yourself in this way. You've got to learn to see how you're stuck, and it's hidden from you right now. How you're stuck is hidden. It's become your normal. It just feels like normal to you. So your brain isn't letting you see how ferociously it's got you stuck. That's all for now. I'm Eric Cooper, InspireSomatics.com. Blessings on your journey.